In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Melio, a platform designed to simplify your business payments. Let's dive in and explore the features and options available through the Melio Academy Learning Hub. To begin, the first step is navigating to the Melio Academy Learning Hub. This is your gateway to mastering the Melio platform, and you'll find it quite straightforward to access. Once you're at the hub, take a moment to explore the resources available to help you better understand how Melio can work for you. Next, you'll want to click on Solutions. This section is crucial because it offers various ways Melio can be tailored to fit your specific business needs. By understanding these solutions, you can see how Melio caters to different aspects of business payment processing, whether you're managing cash flow or streamlining vendor payments. After examining the solutions, go ahead and click on Accountants. This area is specifically designed for accountants and finance professionals. It's packed with tools and features that simplify accounting tasks, making it easier to track transactions and maintain clear financial records. If you're an accountant or partner with one, this section will highlight how Melio can make your accounting processes more efficient. Continuing on, select Partners. This feature is perfect for those seeking collaboration opportunities and integrations that can expand your business possibilities. Melio Partners can offer you additional tools and features that enhance your payment processing capabilities, which can be beneficial for scaling your business or expanding your reach. Following that, click on Pricing. Here, you'll get to see detailed pricing plans that Melio offers. Understanding the different pricing structures is essential so that you can find the right plan that fits within your budget while providing the necessary features your business requires. It's important to weigh these options carefully. Next, open the Resources section. This is your go-to place for a wealth of material designed to help you use Melio most effectively, from guides and tutorials to insightful articles and customer success stories. These resources are instrumental in building your knowledge and confidence in using the platform. Now click on What's New to check out the latest updates and features that Melio has introduced. Staying informed about these updates means you can consistently leverage the best tools and stay ahead in managing your business finances. Lastly, set your business up for payment excellence in minutes. You can start by diving into the quick setup options provided. This is designed to streamline the onboarding process so that you can get up and running with minimal effort. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to start managing payments, mastering the functionalities, and leveraging the latest updates with Melio. By following these directions, you can fully integrate Melio into your business and enhance your payment processes. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to use Melio to its fullest potential.